What is design? Design, in short, is the way in which the human population influences or deals with extrinsic factors in their environment, such as buildings and wildlife.
Design is a process in which we envision a problem and make a plan to find a solution to that specific issue or need.
Design is a conscious act of creating and implementing an intellectual plan in response to a specific need, purpose, and intention.
As Steve Jobs has stated, design is not what it looks and feels like. Design is how it works.
What's a good design? Good designs are functional, durable, innovative, and simple. They should not be making life harder than it was without it.
A bad design reflects the status quo, does not function, complicated and confusing.
Lastly, design is ever-changing. Since our world is ever-changing, new issues and problems arise every day, thus causing designers to adapt and continue to create solutions. Recently, we have had the concern of a global pandemic shutting down much of our economy. So, designers took to their drawing boards and created seating arrangements that help to prevent the spread of germs while keeping companies and services in business.
The cost is really low, which means it's very expensive.
Costs, I gave it a little bit higher because it's a pretty comfortable chair, pretty aesthetically pleasing as well.
Safety is an 8 because there's no back, you can fall pretty easily.
1 for comfortability, just because it was concrete.
In the back of it has like planters, so I thought that was like really good for like environment.
Function would be 8 because it's a seat and it flushes things away.
You can see the first chair clearly is not that comfortable.
Cool because we got to go out into our surroundings, whether we're at home or whether we're on campus, and see what designers have done in certain areas.
I agree. I think it was interesting to see how many different qualities that all of them had and how they were all so unique in their own way.
And seeing like how many really different types of seating were actually on campus, like how they differ so much, even in like the same space, like how many examples there were.
Seeing everyone's different collages and types of seatings and then their personal ratings on each chair.
Like different takes on like the design of the chairs.
Mm-hmm.
I just felt like we attacked it all differently.
In and of itself is design. So we designed design just now by looking at other designs.
Just a perfect example of showing how like it's different for everyone, but like how it all still it serves a significance and a purpose.